20 million people affected by the present flood. Of them, 3.5 million are children. As always, children are at the forefront of even this disaster. Plan, realizing the issues being faced by children in this difficult situation, initiated a relief program where we provided shelter, food, health kits and play equipment to these children so that they can start getting a little bit flavor of normal life. Plan is working with its development partners who are grounded in that particular areas. They are local NGOs. We are reaching out to the people who need the aid most. We have identified through a process where the children and women, the children who need help and the women-headed households who need to be identified are being provided with this support. And I would want all of you to contribute and be part of this particular process. Thank you.